Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the UCL final of Real Madrid versus Liverpool in EASFC Mobile 24. So this is the UCL 2017 and 18 final. And before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. And let's get started by tap the play, tap the live events, and tap this UEFA Champions League live event. As you can see, there are four options here, four features here. The first one is main page, group stage, inform focus, and the last one is legend club. Please go to this legend club feature. This is the journey of Real Madrid. The first one in the 2001 and 2002 final, you have to play this, you have to win it so you can progress or unlock the next stage. And this is the 2013 and 14 final versus Atletico Madrid. This is Derby Madrileno. So this one, you can play this one, the 2018 final. Real Madrid defeated Liverpool to become the first club to win 3 successive UEFA Champions League title. Please play this one, and you can get UCL club token if you win it. So if you win this match, you can unlock the final match. You can progress into the final match. In 2020 and 22 semi-final, Real Madrid versus Manchester City. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.